Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up to your account on CSR2 game. So let's get started right away. If you have already installed the CSR2 game on your device, then in order to sign up and create a new account, you will need to sign up to Google Play Games. In order to do this, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store and then search for Google Play Games. Once you find the application, tap on the install button if it is not installed already. And once it is installed, go ahead and open it up. Then simply sign in to your account using your Google ID or sign up if you don't have an account already. Once you sign into your account, you can tap on the Create button after making your profile and selecting your image as well as entering your name. Then you can simply tap on the Create button and your Google Play Games account will be created. Once your account is created, simply download the CSR2 game by searching for it on your App Store. Then tap on the Install button, and once the game is installed, tap on the Play button to open it up. And now you will automatically be signed up to your account on the CSR2 game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up for a new account on the CSR2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.